FX Mesh here, smashing it. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, my weekly Forex price action analysis, where I give you analysis regarding how my trading went, and I'm also wanting to express what I have to offer to you for us to be able to share our knowledge regarding our trading journey. Now, I want to first of all appreciate my subscribers. Thank you very much, and also visitors are coming in to my channel. And thank you as well for stopping by. This channel is basically Forex and crypto analysis I do here, and also I just trade in instruments, different kind of instruments, oil, CFDs, and Forex and cryptos, or chart analysis and all that kind of stuff. So what I do here is to share my knowledge. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only expressing my own thoughts and knowledge regarding what the market brings to us. Now, that being said, Forex should be seen as a business, and over time you want to have sustainable income from Forex. Now you want to make money, so you have to put money in and use a strategy that can put you in the right side of the market for you to be able to gain profit. That is what Forex is all about, and that is what we're here to do. We're here to share our knowledge. I'm still learning as well, but I believe that I have some knowledge that can be useful to us, and we can keep improving ourselves. It's all about improvement. It's all about applying the knowledge that I've learned over the years, and put into practice and making good profits. This week has been good for me. I took some trades, and a few of the trades I'll be sharing with you today here on screen. So I would like you to come with me to the chart to see how it all went. FX Mesh here, back again to the chart. I just want to explain briefly my position on this particular pair, GBPJPY. I caught this week and it's been wonderful. So how I did this was to, first of all, I went on, I think, on a 1 hour time frame. So the market pushed, you can see the impulse downwards by reason of reacting on these levels here, these levels, this. So the market pushed downwards, played around here a little bit, then came down here, played around a bit, it fell. Now when it fell, I waited to see what the market wants to do here, and there was multiple weak rejections here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 multiple weak rejection on this support here. Now if you look to the left, you would see that the price has reacted on that support before, this same support. So I was like, okay, since there has been reaction in the past in the same region, and there's multiple rejection here, multiple weak rejection here, then I'm looking forward to a buy. So I bought from here, and I was able to ride it up to a significant level. There, I think I scalped it to this point. Then I waited because the market was coming down. I didn't want to be stopped out because I was using a very significant amount of lot size against my account, and you can see the result here. You can see the result here. GBPJPY. So that's the result of what I took, taking it by. You can see the point. Got to a point here, around here. Then I think I scalped it. So at this point in time, you can see that it was already here, around this area. Then I jumped out. Then I waited for a while. Then I saw that the market was already retracing backwards to this same level again to retest this level to create a double bottom. But meanwhile, around this area I was already off, but I didn't want to blow my account. I was using a very big lot size there, and I was able to get this very good amount there. Then the price came up here again, retested. Then I took a sell here, and you can see how it was smashed. And now right now this is where the market is. Now there was Thanksgiving Day, which is a holiday celebrated in the United States of America to mark Thanksgiving, and there was a significant impact in the market regarding the US dollars. And DXY is an index used to measure the strength of the US dollars in the picture. So let us put our sectional break to see exactly what the market was like in a week. And you can see that there's been after an impulse. Let's look at it from here. There's an impulse to the downside. There's this trend to the downside, and you can see a consolidation a bit in this area. Now this 25th here in New Zealand time is 24th in America, in the United States of America. So this was as a result. This consolidation is as a result of the holidays. So the US dollar didn't really move that much. It was moving quite slowly, and you can see the impact of the US dollars against other major world currencies, and that's how it goes. Now if you look at gold during that time on the 25th, you can see, which is 24th in America, you can see that the gold was playing around this key level. Let's put it on 4 hours. You see that this is a key level. This is a key level. These are structures. These are structures. These are areas. So the market was playing around this area. You can see these points are points of to be considered a point of interest, and you can see that on the 25th rather, which is 24th in America. So you said the market was playing around, and gold didn't really move that much. It was moving consolidated. Now it's now 26th, which is 25th in America, 26th in New Zealand here, but 25th in America. You can see that the market has started to move a little bit. So I was looking out for a sell here already, and you can see it was already a sell. It came pull back again. You can see this 2-week rejection. Once you see this 2-week rejection like this, it's a sign of a sell. It might look most likely or possibly push to the downside for profit. So that's how it goes. Let's look at other US pairs briefly before we wrap it up. Let's see GBPUSD. JPUSD. You can see GBPUSD as well. On the 25th, there was not really much movement as such. There was some kind of there was movement anyway, but you can see that there was still some kind of consolidation. So between 25th and 26th, so not much movement as such in this particular pair. I'm just looking at the impact of the US dollars to other US related pairs. You can see USD CAD. You can see CAD moving sideways on the 25th during the Thanksgiving celebration in America. You see, there's nothing much happened, but somehow I took a sell there, and I was able to get something from it. This is a very dangerous trade, but there was something I observed on the 15 minutes time frame when the market pushed to the downside, breaking past a key level and coming to retest a key level, and you can see this weak rejections here, 1, 2, 3. So then I enter the sell, and you can see what happens. Now my methodology is based on simple breakout and retest. Now my methodology is just simple. I want to have if we have a structure here, I go to a high time frame. Let's say a 4 hours time frame, and let's assume that the trend is pushing to the downside. So once the price break past this key level, then I'm waiting for a retest of this level, and the candlestick in the direction of the trend, and that's how I do it. That's how I trade for a sell trend. And now if it's a buy trend, if it's a bullish trend, it's going to be something like this, where I have the trend pushing to the upside, and pushing to the upside. I want a retest of that level and clear candlesticks, bullish candlesticks to the upside, so I'm looking forward to a sell, to a buy. So that's my methodology. That's what my methodology is based on, and that's what I've been using to find opportunities in the market. Now let's look at some in this index, like let's look at NAS 100, which is one of the indexes, US indexes, and you can see what happened even on the 25th. You can see it on the 24th, which is in Thanksgiving Day. There was nothing much that happened. You can see the impact of the US dollars on this particular index. So you can see moving sideward. There was not much to be desired there, and also after the Thanksgiving, you can see that the market tanked down, and this tanking down means that the US dollar gains strength, because when indexes that are related to US dollars are going down, it means that the US dollar is gaining strength. So that is what one needs to consider. Now let's look at German 30 quickly. And German 30 between 25th and 26th, there was some kind of movement, but after that then they became a consolidation. The same impact of the Thanksgiving holidays on the market. Now let's look at just a few ones. Let's look at some GPY pair. GPY pairs actually moved, and I was able to take advantage of the movement, and it was really good. Now the last pair I took this week was EURJPY. EURJPY was very wonderful. It's looking good for me. I actually didn't take this trade. I just marked this trade because it was Fridays. I don't really. I'm always more conscious on Fridays, because Fridays volatility might drop, so and the market can be very tricky. And that's what I've observed. Now I went on the 4 hours time frame, and what do I see there? Let me remove this sectional break so we can see a clear picture of what the market looks like. And now you can see that taking the market from this point. Now let's take it from this point. Now you can see a consolidation here, and now the whole of this place, the whole of this area is a consolidation. So this is consolidating, means that it's a sign of a reversal, and the market came up and has been hitting setting this key, this area, which shows that it is a strong area. It's a sign for reversal, and the market came down, came up again, then pushed down with an impulse and created a bullish a channel, and it's like a kind of a wedge. It looks like a channel wedge, or a channel or something like that. Well, you can do it like this. You can call it a channel, a bullish channel, and you see creating higher highs, lower highs, higher highs, lower highs, higher highs, lower highs, higher highs, lower highs, higher highs, lower highs. Then at the end of the day, it broke. Let me just try and make it down like this: higher high, lower high, 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 higher high, lower high. Then it broke past the channel and came back to retest this level and started pushing to the downside. That's why I took a sell, and you can see me in profit already. But I'll be preparing this entry again, and this setup again. I'll be looking forward to proper entry, and it's just like this is like a kind of a flag, an upside down flag. You know, this is a flag pattern, and you can see each time you see a flag pattern, let's wait for a breakout and a retest of a level, then you can now begin to find direction in that regard. Now FX Mesh here, smashing it. If you like what I'm about, please turn on your notification so you can be receiving my content. I have a lot of content to give you. We are already coming down to the end of the year, and the market is going to be very tricky. It's going to be very well. We need to watch out for the behavior of the market. We're going to be seeing wicks and very weird movements. We need to be careful how we trade, and also then next year is going to be wonderful, powerful. We're going to be having more content that will be posted out in this channel. I want you to watch out for more, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for juicy content. We're going to make money, so always remember to trust the process and be disciplined. Peace out.